No makeup versus no makeup. Let's do it. I always do this when I want to look like the better version of myself, but with minimal makeup. Start off with under eye concealer. I add a little bit on my nose as well. Spray my beauty blender with whatever product is left on the sponge. And you see how it just brightens up my face already. Next I go in with a cream contour. So instead of drawing the contour lines straight onto my face, I'm going to go in with a brush first. Pick up some of the contour on my brush and start pressing the shape on. Then I go right where my brow starts, just underneath. I'll kind of do an arch right here and then bring that down to join up to the button nose. Patting along the line until it starts to fade into my skin. And I'm going to do the exact same for the cheekbones, so I've got a bigger brush. I'm just going to start tapping along there and going upwards. Then add a dot of cream blush and blend out that blush. And then I just use whatever's left on the brush across the bridge of my nose. I'm going to go in with some translucent powder, dab the excess off on the back of my hand, quickly get my damp sponge to make sure there's no creases on my under eyes, and then go in and set under my eyes. Then I go in with some clear brow gel. I just did a small little inner corner liner. I'm filling in my brows with a brow pen, drawing up the top to the bottom. I do some hair flicks in the front to fill that out a bit more, filling in the end. Now we're going to add some fake freckles. I either use a brown liquid lipstick or a brown brow pencil. And I just start dotting on random dots. Take my finger and start tapping it out. And then I just go over my nose contour and the area that I put the freckles with a powder bronzer. Then I add a lip stain. Leave it on for a few seconds to stain my lips and give it a nice pink tint. I'm going to wipe off the bottom lip first. And I add a gloss or a lip oil. Add in some mascara, or you can add a really natural looking lash. Let me fix my hair, I'll be right back. All done, this is the end result. So you can see there's not a major difference. The whole point is to have makeup on without looking like you have a lot of makeup on. So you want to keep it minimal and natural looking. Which side do you prefer? Be honest. If you made it to the end, drop a love heart emoji and I'll show you some love back.